Alright guys, made it to the spot. We're gonna start off with the same bait as last video. It's the Fat Poppa SB70. It's in the honey crawl pattern. So let's see what we can catch out here. Water temperature is 48 degrees. Let's see what happens. There's a fish. Little guy. Little guy. Little dink, I'm not even gonna weigh him. Little dink. There's a fish. That's a bigger one. That's a nice one, I think. Yep, that's a nice one. Oh, he's running towards me. Oh, that's a big. That's a nice bass. Ah. All right, he's 3-2. 3-2. Gotta get him back though. Pretty fish. See you later. Yo.
I'm 3 minutes away.
You're 3 minutes away?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll be at the boat launch waiting for you. I just caught a 3-pounder. Oh, I just caught another one too. I just got a little tiny one.
I'm excited.
3 fish. I'm already 3 in. Alright, I'll be there in a second. Alright. Little tiny guy. Alright, we gotta go meet my buddy. Gotta go meet Dom at the boat launch, and we'll be back over here. Net. It's a little one. It's a dinker. Barely hooked too. Oh, there's one. There you go. That's a good one. Calm down, sucker.
That's a nice bass. He's on a spot. It's beautiful.
Little guy. Can weigh him. Just keep track of the best 5. Buck. One four.
Yeah, 7-4. Speaking of that, I'm done paying motherfuckers motorcycle shit. They got a whole 2-1. Ooh. Come on, you have to be on it for a full year. Okay, yeah. Sign me up. Yep. Sign me up. Yeah, they try to tell me a little bit. Cuss me out.
There's a fish.
Need the net?
Yep.
Oh, shit.
Oh, I got it.
Look at the mouth on that bitch. Holy crap. That's a good one, bro. That's a 4-pounder.
That's a 3.
Look at how you hooked him. That's a good one, bro. I think that's a 3.
Yeah.
At least 3.5. Like a motherfucker.
He's a 2-pounder. Yeah. Where's that scale at? It's right here. It's 2.5. Might be 3. Might be 3.
It's 3.
Oh, shoot.
There you go.
All right. He is 2.9.
There you go, 7-1. Now you at 9 pounds.
2.9.
8, 9, 10.
2.9. See you later, buddy. Why aren't you pan fishing? This one. Another big one, dude. Come on, dude. Get him. Right here. Yes. Put him down there.
It's a big one. Man, don't knock over my Red Bull, you piece of shit. That's a 3-pounder. Just keep saying it.
Come here, dude.
You whacking him, bro. There you go, bro. You said it too. All on those. You got to make me buy that fall time and the crankbait.
What do you say? What do you think he is?
3-2.
3.2. £3 pounds even. All right. See you later, big girl. There's another one. There's another. That's a good one. I don't know if he'll help us, but I don't think he'll help. One 1.9. So what we ended up with was 5 fish. We had a 3.9. We had a 2.1. we caught a 1.4 and we called a 1.9 for that one. Then we had a 2.9, and then we had a 3 pound 3.0. All right, guys, that's a wrap. 13 pounds 8 ounces, 5 fish. That was my best 5 today. Caught a lot. My buddy Dom came out for a little bit, fished with him. He caught one, a little tiny one, probably 1.5, 1.5. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.